welcome to Time's Most Desirable People edition of 2020. आज मैं आपको मिलवाने वाली हूँ Time's 20 Most Desirable Men and Women of Television से। ये है आपके हॉट फेवरेट स्मॉल स्क्रीन स्टार्स जिन्हें टीवी पर एडमायर करना है आपकी फेवरेट हॉबी। इन्हें भी चुना है आपने ही with your love-dipped votes on www.timesofindia.com. मिलते हैं the stunning male faces of television on numbers 20 to 1. A very popular face in the world of reality shows, it's Varun Sood shining like a true star on number 20. Currently prepping for his stint in the next season of Khatron Ke Khiladi, it's Varun Sood looking his best and enjoying his tremendous fan following. A new face to watch out for, Neil Bhatt is currently seen as a dashing and handsome cop on the show Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein. Apart from that, inka dancing style too is certainly worth a mention. वैसे तो Neil has worked in films and a number of soap operas, but his character of ACP Virat Chavan is stuck in the hearts of his fans and looks like he is here to stay. Too hot to resist on the small screen, Vishal Aditya Singh sparkled on the stage of Bigg Boss 13 in 2020. As a star of music videos or his prep for the upcoming season of Khatron Ke Khiladi, Vishal always makes sure to bring his A game with his powerful screen presence. Tall, dark, handsome and talented, Vishal has sought after and stunning on number 18. On number 17 is Kunal Jai Singh, the one who had quite a busy time portraying various roles on the small screen. Be it Pavitra Bhagya or Shakti Astitva Ke Ehsaas Ki. This on-screen Reyansh Khurrana created magic on the television with his handsome face and good acting prowess. A singer and music composer, Rahul Vaidya, features on number 16 on our list of the Time's Most Desirable Men of Television 2020. The man found more and more supporters and fans during his stint in Bigg Boss Season 14 and won accolades and votes to get the first runner-up spot. This actor and television show host rocks his on-screen roles to the thrill of his millions of fans. Karan Wahi has been around in the entertainment industry for a long time and now is busy hosting shows which has made audiences grow fonder of him. He is handsome, he is talented and he is just perfect for the 15th spot on this countdown. Sehbaan Azim enters the Time's Most Desirable Men of Television list with his amazing on-screen presence and mischievous smile. Sehbaan है छोटे पर्दे के बड़े स्टार और ACP मल्हा राणे के रोल में टेलीविजन सीरियल तुझसे है राब्ता में वो दिखे बिखरते अपना जलवा. On number 14 is the sizzling young man Sehbaan Azim. Star of the soap opera Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke, the one who played the role of Kunal, Ritvik Arora made audiences grow fond of him with each progressing episode. Winning awards and accolades, it's Ritvik every bit desirable on number 13. Star of the much-loved television serial Behad 2, it's Ankit Sewach spreading his charm on his fans and looking hot as ever on number 12. Hosting the show Safarnama, Ankit is slowly but steadily making a mark on the small screen. Last seen on the television reality show Bigg Boss Season 14, it's Abhinav Shukla looking fit as ever on number 11. All set to appear in the next season of Khatron Ke Khiladi, it's Abhinav who charms his audience with his on and off-screen chemistry with wife and actress Rubina Dilaiq. Seen on the reality show Bigg Boss in its last season, Nishant Malkani has been in the industry for a long time. Having portrayed various roles on television, it's Nishant's sparkling charm which has got him on this list too on number 10. Dheeraj Dhupar is on a winning streak with a lot of awards for his performances in various television shows as an actor and show host too. His presence on the reality shows and various music videos makes them completely worth a watch. And so he rightfully deserves his place on number 9 on the most desirable men of television's list. Aasim Riaz bags the 8th spot on this coveted Time's Most Desirable Television list. Along with his charming personality, Aasim Riaz is a perfect fit on this list as he continues to dominate the small screen, making his presence felt in the world of entertainment. Be it Nagin Season 5, Muskaan or Bigg Boss Season 14, Sharad Malhotra is here to stay. With each passing year, he gives his fans more and more reasons to keep loving and supporting him. Let's cheer for the small screen sensation Sharad Malhotra on number 7. Shivin Narang, the young star of various shows and music videos, है the topper of television industry with ultimate good looks. उनका heavenly charm बनाता है इन्हें appealing not only in India but across the globe. Behad 2 के Rudra makes girls and ladies hold their breath and can't help but admire the gorgeousness of Shivin Narang on number 6. On number 5 है the impossible to miss ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है कि कार्तिक गोयन का Mohsin Khan. His charisma on screen is absolutely worth turning into your television set. Small screen के Mr. Khan makes his mark on number 5 on the Time's Most Desirable Men on Television this year. Here comes the Shehzada of the small screen, Shahir Sheikh. He rules the hearts of women of all ages. Stylish and smoking hot, this complete man hai loved in India and beyond. We bring you Shahir Sheikh on number 4. Small screen ka gorgeous looking star and actor hai Ali Goni. His stint in Bigg Boss Season 14 also gained immense popularity. Kashmir से आया ये rare find है filled with oodles of oomph on number 3. The desirability lanes are on fire as Parth Samthan enters the list on number 2. कसौटी जिंदगी के में ये न्यू एज अनुराग का कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे करते हुए Parth became immensely loved as his personality gathered huge popularity. Filled with energy और swag से भरपूर, let's hear it for Parth Samthan who is rocking it up on this desirability countdown. Small screen का big star, the macho and sensational Siddharth Shukla. इनके dusky looks और intense gaze पर है fans बिल्कुल फिदा. His fan following reached sky high after he won the top-rated television reality show Bigg Boss. और क्यों ना हो, Siddharth is fit and tall और उनकी power packed dialogue delivery matches his calm and composed nature. No wonder he bags the #1 spot on the Times Most Desirable Men on Television of 2020. इतनी strong dose of desirability के बाद, we shall continue this glam spree in our next segment as we get you those top 20 most desirable divas from the tele world of 2020, जिनका charisma है absolutely impossible to ignore. So, stay tuned.
Hello and welcome back after the break. 20 dazzling male stars of the small screen से मिलने के बाद, how about we meet 20 femme fatales of soap operas? After all, television की दुनिया के talented faces हमें रखते हैं glued to our favorite shows and give us a reason to stay glued to the small screen. इन्हें भी चुना है आपने with your votes on www.timesofindia.com. Let's meet TV's most desirable ladies from number 20 to number 1. Here comes a face to watch out for. Priyamvada Kant on number 20. Bagging a spot on this list है ये नाजुक सी damsel gaining fanfare with her appearance on the show Nagin 5. Currently ruling the small screen with her role in Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai. Priyamvada Kant is here to stay and slay on our desirability countdown. Next है a popular face in the digital world, Divya Agarwal. कहीं पे show host तो कहीं पर as a participant. Divya made sure she showcased her talents across OTT platforms to achieve a dream of conquering hearts in the world of entertainment. That puts her on number 19. A professional dancer, a TV personality, and a model, Arushi Chawla is every bit worthy of being on this list. She gained fame and recognition from India's reality show MTV Roadies Revolution Season 18. She is young, she is cute, and she is very attractive. This Delhi ki kudi loves dancing and a fitness routine has helped her stay fit and fab. This superstar of the Punjabi music industry bags the number 17 spot on the Times Most Desirable Women in Television, gaining amazing popularity with her presence on the small screen in various reality shows and numerable music videos. Himanshi Khurana ने sign किए हैं a lot more projects. Her fans are definitely going to see more of her ravishing presence soon. अब आ गया है वक्त to meet this small screen की बड़ी स्टार अविका गौर on number 16. छोटे पर्दे पर अविका started working as a child और तब से लेकर अब तक she has been a favorite amongst her fans. Reality show हो या कोई soap opera, अविका का glamour charm is never ending. Recently in the news for dating her fellow contestant of Big Boss Season 14, Pavitra Punya has bagged the number 15 spot on this countdown. During 2020, Pavitra थी काफी busy with various assignments for the small screen और इसीलिए उनके fans उन्हें ले आए हैं इस लिस्ट पर भी. Winner of many popular awards, Shraddha Arya hai a famous name in the world of small screen. Her various portrayals on these shows make her instantly loved and hailed by her fans. We knew she will definitely get hearts racing, so it's no surprise she bags number 14 on the Times Most Desirable Women in Television. छोटे पर्दे की प्रिंसेस। नंबर 13 पर हैं अवनीत कौर, who played the role of Princess Yasmin in Aladdin. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Despite her age, of amount of work that she has done is impressive, which also makes her a favorite on this list. Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia ने डेब्यू किया था on the small screen by playing the lead protagonist of the television soap Choti Sardarni. In this short span, she already has a strong fan base who voted for her to be on the Times Most Desirable Women television list. A trained jazz dancer, Nimrit has moved to the small screen from the world of beauty pageants, but going by her dedication to the entertainment industry, she is clearly here to stay. On number 11, it's this small screen sensation whose charisma has a huge fan following, Shehnaz Gill. उनके pretty looks ने उन्हें बनाया है a permanent favorite of a lot of entertainment lovers across the globe. Music videos हो या her interviews, she is always charming, and her infectious presence makes her a star in everything she does. She is the new boss lady of the small screen as she won hearts and also the reality show. Big Boss Season 14 2020 kept Rubina really busy with a stint in this reality show and also a short film named Bareli Ki Beti, in which she played the lead role. Let's welcome the queen, Rubina Dalaiq, on number 10. She is cute. She is dreamy. She is an absolute stunner. शिवांगी जोशी. ये रिश्ते हैं प्यार के में अपना जादू बिखेरती हुई शिवांगी है sweet, pretty and petite. Hailing from an army background, she loves to grace her followers with her wholesome social media posts. A dancer at heart and a natural actress, she is the perfect mix of desirability or popularity. शिवांगी जोशी है हमारी लिस्ट पे on number 9. Big Boss Season 14 की second runner-up, Nikki Tamboli is now ruling hearts and how. All set to feature in the next season of Fear Factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi 11. Nikki is all set to make her fans watch her daring avatar. Making a presence felt on a number of reality shows on television, Surbhi Jyoti के fans ने उनको पहुंचा दिया है number 7 पर on Time's Most Desirable Women in Television. Working her way up the popularity charts, it's Surbhi Jyoti making hearts beat faster with her sultry charm. ये stylish yet seductive queen of hearts हैं Karishma Tanna. The charismatic Karishma lights up TV screens with her unique presence, a seasoned actress, an enticing host, and a daring girl. Karishma has tons of appeal with her fierce antics on the television reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi. This tantalizing star has won the show too. Miss Tanna certainly deserves her rank on number 6. Love for the magic she creates in front of the camera. This is the gorgeous Jennifer Winget. Miss Winget के brunette hair, those expressive eyes और उनके charming features हैं enough to make her worthy of all the attention she demands. बेहद 2 में नजर आई ये gorgeous star playing the role of Maya Jaising when she drove her fans crazy over her role with the revenge streak, making the TV world every bit more beautiful. Jennifer Winget is here on number 5. Ranked number 4 on the most coveted desirability charts, Surbhi Chandna ko kabool hai. The beauty with those big bold eyes and a super pleasant screen presence. Miss Chandna hai award winning and adored to the heavens and back on number 4. Here's presenting a complete package of prettiness, popularity and some power-packed performances. उन्होंने फैंस को सरप्राइज किया with her daredevil side in Fear Factor, खतरों के खिलाड़ी मेड इन इंडिया. इनके sultry looks और वो हसीन प्रेजेंस बनाती हैं इन्हें perfect for the number 3 spot on this countdown. Adding glamour and sheen to the small screens, Nia Sharma. She smiles like a dream, performs like a pro and shines like a superstar. इसलिए Nia के fans उन्हें देखना पसंद करते हैं in various television shows. Stunning and highly sought after. करती small screen को big time mesmerize. We give you Nia Sharma on number 2. Erica Fernandez is a beauty queen and fashion icon. She gained immense popularity as Prerna in Kasauti Zindagi Ki. And since then, there's been no turning back. We are quite sure this Mangalorean beauty is on a mission to create an uproar, which brings her here on the numero uno position, right on top number 1 spot. Thanks to your votes and due to their popularity, all my favorite stars made it to this list of the top 20 most desirable men and women of television. The hottest who's who of desirability on the big and small screen को disclose करने के बाद हम लेते हैं विदा आपसे. All you people, stay awesome and stay safe while you continue to keep watching Zoom.